I will. Thanks for bringing that in. That's awesome.
Thanks a lot.
We need Belger here to move that. Here, we're going to move this around this way. Okay. So tell us about this.
Okay, I made this to hold my carving tools.
Can you expound on that a little more?
So, it's made out of red oak with some stain, and I more or less just measured my tools and estimated what size chest I would have to make to hold them. I have a room for my mallet and leather strop here, and these drawers I have will hold knives, and this one holds honing compound that I use a rasp on to scrape off a little bit onto the leather strop and to hone your carving tool while you carve. When you start carving, your carving tools are supposed to be razor sharp, and after you carve for a while, they get a little bit dull. So then you have to stop and hone them before you continue carving.
So you have a carving tool for every one of these slots?
A lot of them.
Do you know how many carving tools you have?
No, I don't.
Can't count them all, huh?
No.
Wow.
So.
I didn't know they made that many carving tools.
Yeah. And this one I have Band-Aids. Lots of Band-Aids.
So what does this set on your bench?
On
like,
the workbench, yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
And
I just open it up and pick out the tool that I need at the time.
Did you make this portable for that?
I did. I thought it was going to be portable, but it weighs too much to be portable.
Okay.
So.
And is there a reason that you put a lock on it?
Yes, when I took it to different seminars, lots of people around, the carving tools had a chance to disappear on me. So
okay.
I put a lock on the case because you leave it overnight. So just to make sure to keep everybody honest. The box joints I made with an anchorage egg on the router table. So, any questions?
Questions?
What's it weigh?
I don't know.
It's heavy. It's even heavier with all the tools in it, I bet.
Yeah.
And the finish on it?
It's probably lacquer, the stain and the lacquer.
Okay. Any questions? This is an awesome piece. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Wished I owned that many tools.
Yeah.
There's still hope.
Yeah.
How many magnets are in there?
I don't know. There's one for each tool. I did. So.
Very good.
How long do you think they make it?
I don't really remember. I made it about 15 years ago. So.
Have you used it?
Oh yeah. So.
Very good.
Okay.
Thanks for bringing that in.